Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial on creating a cinematic text intro using CapCut. In this tutorial, you will discover simple tricks to make your text pop and stand out. Plus, I will show you how to apply masking transitions to your video. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. Add a particle video like this. The link to the particle video is given in the video description. Add a default text from the text tab. Select any bold type font. Change the default text. I have increased the character spacing to 5. Convert the text to a compound clip. Add the horizontal mask to the compound clip. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees. Change the position of the mask to hide the text. Increase the feather value to 20. Hide the text completely at the starting point. At the starting point, add a keyframe to the mask position. Forward the playhead and change the mask position with the smoke movement. Continue the process until the entire text appears. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.